viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewer, in this video I am giving you information how to get the private key of your Bitcoin wallet or any other wallet like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ripple. You can easily get the all private key of your all wallet in Trust Wallet. I already make the video about how to get the private key, but in that video we get only the private key of which wallet we already import with our private key. But in this video we get the private key of all our wallet in Trust Wallet. So if you want to get this information, so please watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button and also share and like this video. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So first of all, I'm going to open my Trust Wallet because today I'm going to get the private key of my Bitcoin or Ethereum or any coin. So just go to the open. You can see here the Trust Wallet is open in front of me. First I need to enter my password here because my wallet is password protected. You can see here the Trust Wallet interface is open in front of me. If I want to get the private key of Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other coin, so this way is very easy. You can easily get. How can this is possible? This is so easy. Just go to the setting, because if we want to get the private key, so first must need be 12 word phrases of our wallet. So just click on wallet. First I need to get the 12 word phrases of my wallet. You can see here the many wallet I have created. So I want to need the get 12 word phrases of Farooq multi-coin wallet. So just click on triple dot, and after that you can click on show recovery phrases. Then you can easily copy your recovery phrases and paste in notepad file. But I already get my 12 phrases of this wallet, so I want to get the private key of my Bitcoin wallet. Just I'm going to back click on again and go to the main interface. This is my Bitcoin wallet. Simple, just click on it, and there is option send, receive and copy. So if I want to get the private key of this Bitcoin wallet, so just simple is that I'm going to open my notepad file. This is my 12 phrases of this wallet, Trust Wallet. So just copy this website. The address is that IANCOLEMAN.io/BIP39. So I'm going to open this site in my browser. But keep in your mind, first disconnect your internet. After that, you will get the information about Bitcoin or any Ethereum wallets private key on this website. So I'm going to disconnect my internet from my laptop because I'm going to paste my 12 phrases on this website. Then I will get the private key of my any wallet. So just going to the open again notepad file. So going to copy my 12 phrases. This is my 12 phrases, and you just simple paste here BIP39 mnemonics. When I paste here, you can see here the collecting the data about my wallet. And if I want to get the private key of my Bitcoin, this is so simple. You just go to the skim down, and you can see here there is coin BTC. Means simple is that I just select the BTC Bitcoin, the many wallets available. I'm going to select the BTC and go to the private addresses. So I'm going to click on my Trust Wallet and click on receive button. This is my BTC wallet address, and I want to get the private key of this wallet address. So simple, just copy. Or you can also scan this QR code. Simple, download the application QR code scanner at your mobile and get the same address at your mobile. So I'm just going to copy and go to Open again the website. First, keep in your mind you disconnect your internet from your laptop, then you want to get the private key. So many wallets address is available here and also private key is available. So if I want to get the private key of my this wallet, so just control F and paste here. You can see here where the wallet private key is available here. You can also scan this QR code and get the private key. So I'm just copy. You can also this key from here and paste in notepad file. Simple copy and paste in your notepad file. So this way is very easy way you can get the any wallet private key of your Trust Wallet mobile application. So I'm also check this private key is correct or not. First I need to select any other wallet like Dogecoin because some deposit in my Dogecoin. After that I will get the private key then import in my any wallet. So first I select Dogecoin from the list of coin. So Dogecoin. You can see the Dogecoin is available here. That is collecting. Our address is available here. First I need to check my Dogecoin wallet address. Click back and go to the in search bar the about coin. The Dogecoin is not available in my interface, so I'm first going to show Dogecoin in my interface. You can see a Dogecoin is available here. Just click on receive. I want to get the private key of this wallet address, so just simple copy and again open the website and control F, paste here, and you can see here the Dogecoin address is available here, and this is my private key of this wallet. So first I need to copy this private key because I'm going to some deposit, and after I will import this private key is correct or not. Simple copy. I have copied and paste in my notepad file. Doge key, paste here. Go back, open Trust Wallet. I want to receive amount on this wallet. So I'm going to open my Atomic Wallet because I have some balance in my Doge in Atomic Wallet. Open the wallet and click on Dogecoin. Remind me later. Send. Paste here my address. I want to, let's suppose, send 100 Dogecoin or 500 Dogecoin. So its total is valued to $1.24. Network fees is $1, so just send and going to enter password here and confirm. First I need to cross check my wallet is correct or not. First two digits and last two digits SU and DA is a confirm. The 500 Dogecoin was successfully sent in my Trust wallet. So back to the wallet, you can see here also transaction is available here. So I'm going to open my Trust wallet. I have received or not. Just take some time. So you can see here the Dogecoin is 500 received successfully in my Trust wallet, but transaction is pending still. But I'm going to import my private key in Exodus wallet. So just open Exodus wallet, and you can see here I already opened the Dogecoin wallet. The simple is that if I want to import private key of my Dogecoin, simple click on three dots and move fund. I want to paste here my private key. So I'm going to again check my private key. This is my private key of my this wallet.
So again, I'm going to copy. You can copy from Notepad where was you save and paste here and move fund. So you can see here the from address and amount is 496 means 3.48 Dogecoin will be deducted from my Dogecoin wallet address. So just moving in fund means viewers you can see here we can get the easily private key of our all wallet in Trust Wallet mobile application. You can see I get the private key of my BTC and also get the private key of my Dogecoin and also make the deposit, and after that I will import that wallet with the private key in other wallet. So I hope you understand how can you get the private key in your Trust Wallet mobile application and how to import. So viewers, if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Litecoin, Newcoin, and also you can click on Altcoin. You can see here is the many coin available, wallet available here. You can get the information all about it from this website. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.